Welcome back, guys. Our video, we are touching up the trim and fixing the door panel. So the trimmer on the window was a little faded, so we have it all taped off and we have our primer on. While we're doing that, we are also getting our door panel with our new latch done. And then also, I don't know if you can tell, yeah, you can tell the difference. Clean seat, dirty seat, clean seat, dirty seat. So you can see we tested one side with the cleaner and we need to finish. We did the bottom here, we need to do this, but we have a lot of interior cleaning, but we're gonna do the door panels, and I have all new clips for this thing coming. They'll be here tomorrow. So we have all new clips. Granted, none of these broke, which is surprising. But we're still gonna put new ones in, because why not? Why we're here. But we need to get this door handle that fell. And look at that. It's right there. Well, that's part of it. There's like 7 parts in this thing. And there's just pieces everywhere. So let's get all this out. Let's go get our new door handle and see what we got to do to put it in. So we have our new handle with our old clips in. There's our old handle. This handle will go in through the back. We'll go in, whoop, and then we'll hook up the little, wherever it is. They're right there. There it is. It's hanging down here. We'll hook it up, move it over, put the screws in. So, doors back together. New handles on. We have a new surround coming, but in the meantime, we pulled off our trim around the back. It looks fantastic. We're going to do the same to the front, but we're also going to paint these. So those two, we got this from SEM. This is trim black, and we're going to pull off the other one, clean up all this stuff there, and paint those as well so we can get those back on. We are, where are we headed? Cars and Coffee?
We're going Big Car Show.
Yeah, that is Big Car Show. It's called Cars and Coffee. Beautiful morning. We still need to wipe the car down, but we got our donuts and we are headed to Cars and Coffee with the E28. So let's get it. So we are cruising on the highway and it's smooth right now.